Hey you guys, it's Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group. We're out front of 245 Palazzo Circle in the highly sought after neighborhood of Murabella. Folks, this place is perfectly laid out. You've got just shy of 2,200 square feet, nice 2-car garage, oversized backyard space, 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. The birds are chirping, it's a beautiful day. Let's go check this house out. Welcome inside to 245 Palazzo Circle. Now, you've got a couple bedrooms over here, master, plus the home office, but I wanna start and just show you how open this place is. I mean, you've got nice tile throughout, high ceilings, crown molding, the living room, the dining, the breakfast nook, the kitchen, it all blends really nice together. So I'm stepping into kind of the kitchen first. Love all of the seating around the area. Nice size island, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. You've got a walk-in pantry, goes deep back, nice and high. Laundry room, garage. So all of this flows perfectly together, which I think it's nice. It's very inviting. It's great for entertaining. We're gonna step into the master bedroom first. You got the nice high ceilings. It's really spacious in here. When you come into the ensuite, you've got a double vanity, soaker tub, you've got the shower. So we saw the master. Again, it's 4 full bedrooms. So you just saw 1 of 4. We're actually gonna come straight across here again. This is more of like the bonus room, converted into a home office. Obviously that's very in right now. And you could easily convert that into another bedroom if you chose to do so. So walking through this beautiful area again, we're back at the front of the house where I came in. And then off to my right, you've got 3 full bedrooms, plus a full bathroom, vanity toilet, shower, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3. And all of these bedrooms flow nicely. I love this floor plan. It's good for a growing family if you've got guests that are out of town visiting. So we kind of just saw all, call it 2,200 square feet of this home. One thing to note, you've got a new roof. I believe it was just about 4 years old. Interior and exterior has all just been freshly painted for your convenience. Let's end it outside because when you're living in Florida, outdoor living's crucial. All right, so we're stepping out to my favorite part of the home. Nice deep backyard as well. I love the lots in this neighborhood and this house is like no other. Folks, the address is 245 Palazzo Circle in Murabella. Contact my team today for your own tour in person and let us know how we can help. Again, it's Luke Newcomer with the Newcomer Group. We're exceeding your expectation as our standard. Thanks for joining.